Throughout much of the Mediterranean, olives are an important aspect of everyday life. Walk through any Greek market, and you'll find evidence of how important they really are. Here on the island of Naxos, you'll see them in different sizes and in different colors: green, black, brown.
I must admit, I was around olive trees most of my life, and it wasn't until several years back that I found out the green olive and the black olive came from the same tree.
Like this tourist, a lot of people assume that black and green olives come from different trees. In fact, most people probably wouldn't recognize an olive tree. This time of year, on the hills of Naxos, the olive trees have flowers on them. Without the fruit, though, the tree isn't easy to identify.
In this area, between Monitsia and the other village of Moni, which is up in the hills, there are some of the very old olive trees.
To make green olives, you need to collect them when they are still young.
There are some small ones and some giant ones, and people decide which one they prefer. Well, I like all of them. I think I would never say no to any olive.
Not everyone has the same liking for them.
I don't like them. I hate them.
Like yesterday, I ordered this pizza which had olives on, and I couldn't take it.
It tastes old, it tastes ugly.
It's true that olives are old. Some trees have been alive for thousands of years. In fact, olives have been an important part of life here since the early days of Greek civilization. In Greek tradition, Irene, the goddess of peace, is shown carrying an olive branch. Even today, olives are associated with peace. If people want to end a war, they are said to offer an olive branch.
From the olive tree you can actually you can use everything. There's nothing you throw away.
Katarina Bolesh owns a remarkable shop in Naxos where everything is made from olives.
You eat the olives, you make oil from it. You can make a kind of tea from the leaves.
Olive oil accounts for much of Greece's olive production. To produce the best liquid, olives are collected and processed once they have become black. The sooner they are pressed, the better the oil. Used for cooking, for light, and occasionally as medicine, the oil is believed to give good health and long life to those who use it.
And they are very valuable for vitamins, and their oils are very healthy.
And the olive trees themselves also help to give the land a feeling of peace.
You can have a look around and hear around and understand that. You see that all these trees are not aggressive. Their color is a little soft. All their shape is quite mild. Something that lasts long, give fruits. I think it's a good feeling of what peace means.